Okay guys, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Mash. This is just a quick update video on what's been going on. So I haven't put up videos because I've been doing what I've been doing, so I'll show you in a minute. So it has been my mission to get this room as sealed, because it's a double garage basically. Let me point you up. So it's a double garage. So the roof of it is like that. So you have the felt and then you have the tiles and that's it. So what have I been doing? First thing I had to do was to start insulating the roof. Yes, I actually did that, climbing up there. And we have insulated about 2/3 of it. We've just got 3 more sections to go for the insulation. So we've gone as far as here. Then I have boarded up sections of it, like little mezzanines. One there, one there, one there, one here, one there, and another one there. So that will continue up on these 2. So there'll be like another 3 separate mezzanines on there. So I've done that with boards. So then the boards are kind of like really dark. So now I've been painting them. So this section here is completed. Sorry for the bad filming. So that has had 2 coats. That has had 2 coats. And then up there you can see there's all the vacuums and stuff stored. So they will be really, really nice and protected. I have been painting walls. So I finished painting around there. I've yet to finish that. I've run out of paint today, so I've already ordered more, so there's more coming tomorrow. And I got as far as painting there as well, but there's still a way to go. So that's all the painting and the vacuums and everything else nice and stored out the way, so I can have more room down in here. That big massive wall unit is gone. That is now removed. All the hoses that you saw would always hang there, which were a right pain. They are now on a bike rack. That's where we used to store our bikes that were always covered in stuff. So the hoses have got a really nice, neat place to stay now. What else? So the bikes are going to go up on pulleys up in there. So we will be able to pull the bikes up and they'll be up there out the way on pulleys. I got the pulleys, I got the rope, it's all done as well. This section, of course, has not been done yet because I need to get another roll of insulation and then stick that up onto that part of it, then create the mezzanines and then paint it as well. But I'll do that in due course. I just want to get this part section done first, so 2/3 of it will be done. Finish off these little itty bitty bits of painting that I've got to do. So the next thing we've done is worktop. So now we have worktop along here and not the pieces of, what was it, laminate flooring. So we've got proper worktops, nice wide worktops, so I can put everything on. Moved everything from over there that was sort of like across there on the board. That's all gone, so the stereo is now there. All the other little bits and bobs that I need and use, they are there. So I've got a lot more bench space going on. Here I am working on, I'm halfway through a video on the blue Hoover Senior. So that will be done once I finished that part over there. God, I look awful. I got paint on my lip. How did I get paint on my lip? Don't know, don't ask. So that is done. I've sealed the bottom of that garage door. That garage door needs doing. The air conditioning, dehumidifying unit is there. And already I can feel a real big difference in the room for keeping the heat in and keeping it cool. It's incredible. I mean, it's not even completed and yet it's made such a huge difference. So yeah, so I've got full workshop, workbench length now for working on. So much better. There's a sneaky peek of the project. I brought these down so you could see. Don't look at that. That was my first attempt, bodging. We've got a new member of the crew. We have got Sweep. Hello, Sweep. Where is this squeaker? Where's your squeakers? There we go. There he is. There's Sweep. Everything over here is all tidied up as well and organized. All my cloths and rags and stuff. That's all nice and neat. Vacuums I've got to work on. That's covered up because I was painting up there today. That's the second coat done. So yeah, that's basically it really so far. A bit of a tour, so you know that I've not disappeared off the face of the planet. I am literally just working on making this look really good. So when the paint comes tomorrow, I will be able to do first coats on that, second coats on that, so it'll look a lot nicer and neater and brighter. It's so much brighter in here already with just what I've done. It is really, really, really nice. I really am enjoying doing it. Like I said, everything is covered up. I don't really know what else to say, to be honest, so bear with me. I haven't disappeared. I'm just trying to finish off all these little bits of the project that I needed to do. If I can get as much of the painting done as possible, so I can finish off this area, paint that wall, paint those ceilings, finish painting off all the bits that I've got to do around here. I need to get some more orange paint because I've run out of that. And then what I'm going to do with the orange paint is the underneath of these beams, I'm just going to rub with the orange paint. So you'll have the orange effect on the underneath of the beams, just to add a little bit of color because it's orange and white, which I really, really like. Oops, I'm covering the camera. That's not a bad thing. Anyway, so that's enough waffling. Thank you for being really patient. There is a project on the way. Like I said, it's a really long project, but I will get there eventually. I think I just have to edit that because there's an address on there. Plonker. Okay, that's been edited. So there we go, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a project. So I'll see you guys. Bye, y'all.